Stop guessing where your milk comes from. Discover the journey of dairy products instead. It all starts on the farm. Cows are milked using gentle machines and the fresh milk is cooled and stored. Next, it's off to the dairy plant where the magic happens. The milk is pasteurized to kill any harmful bacteria and then homogenized to give it that smooth, creamy texture. From there, it can become milk, cheese, yogurt, or even ice cream. Fun fact, it takes about 10 pounds of milk to make just 1 pound of cheese. Once processed, it's packaged up and sent to your local store where you can grab it off the shelf and bring it home. So next time you pour yourself a glass of milk, remember the amazing journey it took to get to you, fresh from the farm to your fridge. And that's the utterly awesome story of dairy.